I got the Bantam jacked up here. I'm just going to buzz off this front wheel. I've given it a wee shake, it's solid. No playing nothing there. And I've got some wheels there I want to try on it. Just see what it looks like. I'll be putting them on in I want to get some coloured bolts there, but I'll get this wheel off first. Get this off and then anyway. Inspection. I didn't spin them like that because it's in gear, but yeah. First glance, it all seems pretty good. Right, pipe, CV boot, rubbers, gaiters, brake pad, brake disc, yeah. Spring over. Good. Right, I'm going to get a couple of bolts. Yeah, put the back wheel off now. I wanted to get the front wheel on first before I jacked up any further. It's a safety thing, yeah. Right, tubs are pretty good too. What I can see, the petrol tank, the shocky looks alright. I did notice a bit on the D springs, but I'm not going to go under it because it's just the jack. And the shackle bushes, but it's to be expected. See, I'm just putting these wheels on to see what it looks like. I've had these ordered, these stealths for years. I always said to myself, I get another Mk3Escort. I would need to put tyres on them, like, but I'm going to be going on the road this year anyway, so. Let's get this on. Let's spin that from then. Get the bottom one in first. These are the old bolts I had in the Fiesta because I know they're good. Can you find my lot? I've got loads of alloy wheel bolts. I don't even know where they are. So use an alloy wheel socket, doesn't matter. One on. I'm going to put them on the two anyway because I'd like to see how they fit and see what it looks like. I say I've ordered these for years. That's not the opposite one there. Buzz these up, just double check it is the opposite side, and then let it in. I just run them up to the end of the threads, so I don't ever go mad with this gun. That's it. Right. Alright to me. And I'll load in as I can. Right, I'm done. Got bits of wood at the wheels at the other side. Box, stuff it. Chocks. Right, I pushed the pickup at the carport. I don't want to keep stopping it and starting it because I don't know how much fuel's in it, and I don't want to put any in until I've been under it and checked all the fuel lines. From what I can see of the tank, all looks good, like, but I'll do that later on. I'll get up the ramp. So I just wanted to try these wheels on and see what it looked like. I did. unmarked for years. Came off an XR2i that I dragged in for Oban years ago. Right, I've stuck these stealths on this side as well. Couldn't help myself. I said I'll need to come back off, like, but I'm not going to modify this in any way until I get it registered, just in case the DVLA want to inspect it. But aye, I did alright, yeah. What I need to do now, try the BSA in the back, but I'll wait till somebody's here because I've got a ramp light. I will be able to do it, but the first time I do it I better wait till someone's here. Aye. Right, I've been fucking about with the carburetor on this thing. Trying to lean it up a bit and take the revs, so it'll not be perfect, like, but I've got it a bit better. Wasn't going to do it till I put fuel on it, but hey ho. It's not 100% like, but a wee bit better, I think. So I need to get the carburetor set up, but I've got a twin choke Weber there that might end up going on it. Well, probably will end up going on it, but not straight away. I just wanted to get that a wee bit better for moving it a bit. Don't want to take the air filter of that off it just in case the DVLA want to come and inspect it. That'll do now. Pull the battery at this to get a good look at the battery tray. Prepared to do a bit of work. You know it's going to need work, bits and pieces, but it's actually, it's alright. I think all I'll do is I'll just blow that dirt off of there and then treat it with some anti-corrosive stuff for now and just live with it. It's not old or nothing, right? Aye, I think that's what I'll do, put some Q-rust or something on it. I'll get a blow off for now though. Oh well. Right, I've taken these bugs out the tub. Out of there. Not my fault with water now. I want to put it right back this time now so the cab's under the canopy. Oh, damn it, I think I'll put it away now. I'll wait till somebody's here before I try the Bantam in the back. Aye. That'll do it. Well, that's me put this wee pickup away now for the day. Had a good poke round it. Things I'm going to need to do. So that's one of the first things is the seam sealer. In the original factory seam sealer. And then I'll wings are up inside the bulkhead and down. This side's alright, but the other side it's at the bottom of the sill there. Peeled off, aye. If that's dirt. I'll need to go in it and just scrape off any loose bits of seam sealer. Rust treat it and then put new stuff on. Morris, pick up. Right, cheers! Been for a blast. Goes alright, so it does. I was just going to move the pickup forward. Been dicking about with the carburetor again. Right, I've got the pickup out onto the patio. Little foot in the back of it, just for the crack. A Bantam and a Bantam. Yeah, that's cool. That fits in, I'll be able to make a thing at the when I get my light bar. Motorbike wheel can go in. Don't know if I'd try and do it in one though. I've done the right thing waiting.